Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got in this Artesia Pro 46. Been sat for a while, doesn't run. See if we can get it going. Check for a spark, make sure it's sparking, clean the carb out and see if we can get it going. Yeah, so we've definitely got a spark there. Plug don't look too bad really. Should be okay to go back in. Right, we're going to get this air filter and carb off. A few spiders living in there. Just a 10mm socket. Take these two screws out. Looking a bit mouldy, it's obviously been sat for a while, hasn't it? That's the carb off, the gasket and the spacer. You can see that looks really manky, some old fuel stale in there. Smells manky as well. I'll take that and give that a clean out. Gonna give the carb a clean off with the airline. That's all cleaned off. Don't have any shit falling in there. We'll take this 10mm nut off the bottom there. Right, look at that. That's going to be the problem, isn't it? All that shit in there. Not actually too bad in there. I imagine there's just a bit of that crap's got on that main jet and blocked it up. See if we can blow the line on it. I am just going to pop that main jet out of there to make sure that is all clear. Blast through. So if you can see, but you can see daylight through that, so that is clear. The rest of that looks alright in there. So pop that main jet back in. Bowl's all clean now. Lighten that back up. We'll go put it back on, get a fuel lines on and see if we can get it going. This is a fiddly job, getting it all back together. These things are a pain in the arse to get back in. Not sure. Yeah, like that. It says they're a fucking pain in the arse and they're fiddly, but so far it's gone back easier than what it normally does. So that's all back on there. There's that cable right there. Right, so we want that was there. Fiddly, 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 fiddly. You don't want to do with another pair of hands, can you? A second. Right, that's that there. Two screws to that. We've got another gasket to get on. And we've got spacer. put in there to get it on there. Fuel line on, and there's this little breather pipe that comes onto the back of the airbox. Hold on. Tighten that down. Now will it run? I'll just put that air filter cover back on. Some fresh fuel in there. Fuel on. Motor through. Will it start? Steady. Right, so that's all working now. So that's just a quick carb clean. Get all the shit out there, put it back together, bit of fresh fuel, and it's all back working how it should do. See you on the next one.